My service really shaped my character. It taught me that difficult situations can be overcome, that service is a very valuable commodity for this country.
I'm Kelly Shawhan, one of the founders of Semper Solaris, and we're out here today to celebrate and donate a free solar system to a deserving vet and be thankful for guys like Bob.
The recipient this time is Bob Blumenstock. He's a Vietnam vet. Like a lot of veterans, he made a lot of sacrifices overseas to protect our freedoms. It almost goes without saying that any chance we have an opportunity to do something for someone who's actually put their life at risk for our country, it's really humbling. And I think everyone gets a lift out of it. We're doing more than just running a solar company. We're trying to help people as much as we can. And it feels really good to give back.
My time in Vietnam with the Marines shaped me in a major way. It gave me appreciation for being an American and for all the sacrifices.
These vets, they've sacrificed so much, and to be able to turn around and give them back something to say, hey, America appreciates you, we appreciate you, that means a lot. It's great when you can provide something like that for someone to help reduce their cost of living. It kind of gets you right here.
When I heard that I was selected, I couldn't believe it. I was on cloud nine. I was speechless, and I was absolutely thrilled. I felt like I'd won the lottery. I really appreciate what Semper Solaris has been doing for vets over the years, what they're doing for me and others. Veterans helping veterans. I'm amazed at how professional everybody has been, the time and effort. The people that have been working here, they've all been so nice and considerate. They're really good people. I feel very, very lucky to have this when there are so many other vets out there who are probably more deserving than me. This is really going to help out a lot.